Ducati, a legendary brand that has thrilled riders for nearly a century now. So Ducati know a thing or two when producing motorbikes. This Ducati Streetfighter V4 S is among the greats in the naked bike world. Ducati's first naked bike was manufactured in 1996, which was the beloved Monster 900. It quickly became one of their most popular sellers. With its timeless design, this bike is now a cult classic and referred as one of the greats. This Streetfighter V4 S I have before me embodies everything that makes this brand what it is today. The looks, the engine, the electronics, the handling, and of course, performance. Setting this V4S apart from the rest is not just its price. It's the lowest mileage Ducati Red model on AutoTrader at the time of filming. But it's additional £1,300 in factory optional extras and enhancements. It also includes Ducati's manufacturer warranty till March 2025, Ducati's matte carbon fibre front and rear mudguards, carbon fibre tank protector, EvoTech performance tail tidy and radiator cover set that adds an extra bit of spice. Not just that, but we've thrown in the Datatag Master Security ID, which you can find just behind the forks, which ensures the bike is protected and traceable if the unthinkable happens. Upon sale, this near unmolested example will also reap the benefits of our comprehensive detailing and preparation process in our in-house detailing booths to ensure the fairings and all components are in pristine condition and ready for the UK roads. So if you're looking for a low mileage, tastefully enhanced example of the most off-the-wall naked bike available on the market, then this 2023 Ducati V4S is the one for you. If you want to find out more information on this or any other vehicles that we have in stock, please head over to our website or give us a call.